Hi there, this is Alex Dude slash Angry Math Dude, or Angry Math Guy. Today I'm going to be showing Fedora running off of a Chromebook, a Dell 5400 Chromebook. I used, what's it called? I used Mrchromebox utility to edit the bootloader, or edit the boot on the Chromebook so I could boot Linux. And then from there I installed, this is actually running off of a 2.5 inch spinning hard drive that's connected externally to USB 3.0. I installed Fedora onto that external hard drive, and this is what you're seeing right now. It runs pretty smooth if you wait a minute or two for everything to get loaded on. You can see over here.
So now, living in my car with the kids.
It's able to play, what's it called? YouTube just fine. Here I'm opening up Chrome. I'm having some issues with Firefox running YouTube for some reason. It's not working, but you can see over here. Yahoo, MSN. It loads pretty well. It probably run a lot faster if I was running, running it off of the internal NVMe hard drive for this Dell 5400 Chromebook. Wi-Fi works. The mic, I have an external mic hooked up because the internal mic doesn't record too well. Again, volume works fine. Wi-Fi, I'm on Wi-Fi right now. Wi-Fi works perfectly fine. Supposedly Bluetooth is enabled, so pretty much I don't see anything that's not working visually. Again, like I said, I'm able to watch YouTube. Man, there's so many ads. So every time I try to play something, there's an ad. But it plays YouTube perfectly fine. Maybe I can get this daily motion thing loading. You can hear the audio. Audio's just fine. And so I wanted to show some gameplay, but it's actually a bit not. I'm trying to figure out how to install games onto Linux Fedora right now. So maybe I can show you. So you can see, I was gonna try to install a hard drive tool to see how well the hard drive is running through USB 3.0, but I didn't get to that far. I tried to install Steam, see if it was able to install. Sorry, I'm not used to using GNOME, so I'm trying to figure out how you use stuff. But see, I have Steam installed onto here. Gosh. Again, I don't know how to use GNOME at all. I can open another app. I have GIMP installed. Let me close this lady out. Close this. Okay, now I'm really having issues. I was trying to load. So again, I can load Yahoo, MTV, web surfing is not too bad on here. Trying to get Steam to run, but it's not running too well for me. There it is. I'm trying to run. Tried to install Counter-Strike. It says it's in there. No, I wanna play this. So it's verifying the download. Here's GIMP. I can file, create, actually new. Yeah, I'm not even good with GIMP. So it's GIMP. It's eraser. Let's top background. Go back here. So my short test, I just wanted to show that Fedora is working perfectly fine. Everything's functioning pretty well with this Dell 5400 Chromebook. This is a i7 8th generation processor with 16 gigabytes of RAM, so it's an able Chromebook. Not too common to have these type of specs. I wanted to show Counter-Strike on this, but it's taking a while to verify off the external USB hard drive, and I'm still trying to download Team Fortress, so this is all going to take a while. I think this is enough to show you the performance. It's pretty decent. Let me see if I can let this finish. Oh man, it's not letting me skip. Okay, there's my video. It's running perfectly fine. So that's it. Hopefully, if you're interested in installing Linux onto a Chromebook, I think Dell 5400 is a pretty decent choice. It's pretty compatible for the most part, probably because it has a Dell 5400 identical Windows version. And so, again, I've installed Ubuntu perfectly fine, except for there's a brightness issue at the very beginning, which you can readjust or create a script to adjust the brightness so it's not set to 0. And well, for Fedora, you can see over here, I don't really have much issues with Fedora, so I would say Fedora runs actually smoother for me, but I haven't installed it internally. This is installed through a USB hard drive, and it's just a 2.5 inch spinning hard drive. So when I get some games, maybe I'll try doing a review with the games, but you can see the only thing I had was that Play Angry Heroes. So that's it. Over and out. Yep. I'm gonna see if this recording works. Where's screen recorder? Over here. So that's it. Hopefully this gives you a short impression.